Does it matter which way you turn your head gasket? Yes, it matters a lot. It matters a lot. You must know where to turn your head gasket. Many people think that they can fix the head gasket the way they like. Some think they can fix it like this. Why some believe they can fix it like this? No, you can't do that. If you do that, you may cause a lot of problem to your engine. Why do I say so? Your head gasket usually have faces. There's a place that must go down, while there's a place that must go up. It's as if you are fixing your piston rings. Sometimes, especially the compression ring, you see where they mark top, where should face up. That is how head gasket is. Sometimes in your head gasket, there may be a mark. The manufacturer will inscribe a mark there that shows which side should face up and which side should face down. But in the event where the manufacturer does not put mark which side should face up or which side should face down, then you can now use your discretion to face it. That means it can go either way. But when the manufacturer pinpoint to you that which side should face up and which side should face down, then you must follow suit. In such instance, you will see where they write up or top. When you see such mark on your head gasket, that means that very place must face up. The other side will face down on the deck of your engine. Why the other place, why it was written up or top will face up towards your cylinder head. That is how you should face your head gasket. However, if it's not, you can see some head gasket with a kind of copper face, and the other side will now be shiny face. In such instance, the manufacturer may not write up or up there again. In most cases, we who are mechanics use our discretion. We usually use the copper face at the up. Why? Because we believe that the cylinder head receive most heat, so it require a kind of copper side to cope with that heat. That is why we usually turn the copper side to the upside, while the shiny face will be at the down. But since the manufacturer does not stipulate which side should go up or down, then you can make your decision which side go up, which one go down. But you can also make some consultation to assist you in fixing such a head gasket. But if your manufacturer tell you where to face up, then you must follow suit. And in most cases, if you don't follow suit, you find it difficult to install your head gasket on the stud, on the head gasket stud, or you may even have leakages or oil not getting up to your rocker arm and other things like that. That is why it is better for you to stick to what the manufacturer said. The manufacturer asks you to face your head gasket at the up, follow suit. But if there is no mark, then check. If the head gasket can go either way, then you can make your decision. It will surely work perfectly. So your mark may be there or may not be there. Thank you for watching me. Hope you enjoy my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.